Visiting Bordeaux and craving a road trip through the vineyards? Let us introduce the Monk Tour, a van wine tour designed for adventurers and wine lovers alike. This journey takes you to the heart of the right bank of Bordeaux, exploring the iconic Saint Émilion and Pomerol appellations. Prepare to discover how glorious Merlot can be. The adventure begins at our Bordeaux office, where you will meet your guide and fellow road trippers. Ready? It's time to jump into the van because, let's be honest, the wine is calling. After a scenic drive through the vineyard-lined roads, we'll arrive at our first stop, a stunning winery. Here, you'll marvel at centuries-old architecture alongside cutting-edge modern winemaking facilities. The guide at the châteaux will reveal the secrets of winemaking process before you transition from theory to practice. Yes, you guessed it. It's time for wine tasting. But don't get too carried away. There's a delightful picnic lunch waiting for you, featuring regional delicacies and, of course, more wine to pair with your meal. Once we've feasted in this dreamy setting, it's back on the road. We'll navigate a maze of vineyard paths to reach our second winery. At our next stop, expect more breathtaking architecture, fascinating winemaking insights, and another chance to refine your palate with a second wine tasting session. We're not just drinking here, we're training to be the wine connoisseurs. As much as we love wine, you can't visit Saint Émilion without experiencing the UNESCO World Heritage Village itself. Walk its ancient streets, marvel at 12th century monolithic church, and soak in the panoramic views. And before we leave, there's one final treat. A village wine tasting to sample a curated selection from various local wineries. Time to drive back. Here's what you need to know. You will do 2 full winery visits, enjoy 3 tastings sampling up to 12 different wines, explore UNESCO Heritage Village of Saint Émilion, indulge in a picnic lunch with local produce, and travel comfortably with a personal driver taking you from one magical stop to the next. If you're looking for a more active experience, check out our original e-bike tour. If you want an adventure tailored just for you, consider our private tours. If you're ready to experience Bordeaux like never before, book your tour now. We'll see you on the journey.